Hey guys, it's Tam. We're out again, and today we've come down to Bedford, and we are at a park down here called Viaduct Park. This is, it's the viaduct. How do I explain the viaduct? It's the tunnel that goes over Tinker's Creek, and this is part of the Cleveland Metroparks system. This is part of Bedford here, and the Cleveland Metroparks is on the other side of the train tracks, and the railroad actually owns the viaduct, and it's the tunnel that Tinker's Creek flows through. It's actually very, very cool. I've been here once before, many years ago. It's probably been over 20 years since I've been here, and decided for something different to come down here today. I'm walking up the steps on top of the old viaduct bridge, and don't know if you can see it for the overgrowth, but this is the old viaduct arch. There's another one on down, and Tinker's Creek flows through these viaducts. Now this is part of the park system now here, but right up here where the board is, where it ends, that's CSX railroad track, and that's actually owned by CSX. I've not been to this place in a really long time. I've wanted to come back here many times and just never have. So today we decided to come out. I have a full pack again. I have my walking poles. I have my felt bottom water shoes, and I'm gonna go into the creek. We're gonna see how this goes, given 7 weeks ago I broke my tailbone. So, I've got the hubs with me today, and we're gonna go check this place out. Let's go. Now, when you get down to the very bottom, there used to be an actual village down here. And yeah, there was a big power plant, and it's about to get noisy. Can you hear the train? We got another freight train coming. So we're going down the steps to the pond and mill area, the grist mill area. And what they did was they dammed the river up to create a massive pond for the dam that controlled the water for the mill. And we're getting ready to walk on top of that old dam wall. Now this is where the mill was, from what I understand, but across the river here, you can still see the wall for the actual dam itself, which is right here. This is really cool. Oh wow, here we go. This observation deck also was not here when we were here. This is all new. Oh, wow. There you go, the Great Falls of Tinker's Creek. Just gorgeous. Now, I'm gonna try and get down there into this area here. Into this area here. Or maybe back in here to do some photos. I don't know how this is gonna go. To be quite blunt and frankly honest, I'm scared. I do not want to fall again. This is just absolutely beautiful. Wow. All right, let's try. Alright, now to figure out how to get down there. Here we go. There's a pretty easy trail, it looks like. Alright, here we go. And we are here. Oh, wow. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna venture down. I am going to figure out an angle that I want to get at. Hopefully you can hear me over the sound of the falls and the sounds of the rapids. But I'm gonna put my water shoes on and see where I can go. I'm very nervous being down here. This is just absolutely gorgeous. All right, putting my water shoes on. Finding a spot to stand, and I'll be back in a few minutes. I have my camera set up, and I'm shooting this side right here. And as you can see, there's a lot of harsh light in through here that keeps popping in and out of the clouds. I have my camera set up. I have my filter system on now. I'm using a Nissi V5 Pro filter holder and circular polarizer, and then I have my ICE 6 stop neutral density filter, and I have my graduated neutral density filter by Zomei. Yeah, I know they're cheap, but I can't afford glass. I can't afford the big filters, so they'll have to do. So I'm getting this, and I have it in portrait orientation, so that way I can get all of these nice big rocks right in here as my foreground and this pool of water. And it looks really, really nice. I'm at f6.3. I have a 2-second Shutter speed, I am at ISO 200 at aperture priority, and it looks really good. I'm just waiting for, oh well, I don't have to wait. Let's see. That looks really nice. It's still not cutting down the light on this side of the falls as much as I want it to, but it actually looks really good. And my 3-stop graduated neutral density is helping cut that light down a little bit, but not that much. I don't, hold on a second. Hold it phone. Oh. Oh yeah, we got a break with a little bit of shade there. I'm going to maneuver around here, keep taking some more images. I don't know how much I'm gonna vlog because 1, it's so loud down here, and number 2, I'm gonna be moving a lot and I don't wanna go swimming or fall again. So if the images come out, here they are. I will be back. I'll see you guys in a few minutes. Okay, so I've moved away from my rock, which is behind me over here, and now I've come closer to the main fall over here, and I've taken a couple of compositions so far. The light has gone down a little bit further and is behind some of the trees, and I have clouds coming and going, so it's providing me with really good filtered light, but I'm still having to use my circular polarizer and my stick stop ND filter. I do not have to use my graduated ND filters right now though, because I'm not getting that harshness against the side over here. So I have my camera set up in vertical composition, and I'm at aperture priority, still at f6.3. I am precariously positioned on 3 rocks here. Little nerve-wracking getting over here, but I have a 1.6 second shutter speed, ISO 200, and it looks really, really nice. I love how the logs are here in the water. You can see them much better now that you're out from behind these rocks here, where I was before. I can now see what they look like. So I'm getting really cool images. There looks like a small cave or something over on the left-hand side. I can't really see it. I'm gonna play with this composition a little bit longer, and then I'm gonna move over. I'm gonna get this side up close because I love these leaves that are over here. There's another waterfall right here, but it's barely flowing. So I'm just gonna move around and see what I can get, and who knows, hopefully they come out well. Here we go. All right, we're down here. I'm set up, getting ready to get images of this side of the falls, and it starts to rain. I've got my shower cap on here. Hopefully it won't stick around and it'll be a quick shower and then gone. Who knows? But I finally got everything set up, and I'm trying to get all of this pretty flow here and the rock with the leaves and everything else over here. So hopefully it works out okay and the rain stops. Maybe it'll be a quick one. I don't know. We'll probably get run out of here. But this is so pretty. Hey guys. Well, as you can see, I'm hunkered down under an umbrella. My camera is covered with my, that thing, the shower cap. And the husband has gone back to the car to get the bigger umbrellas. And we're hunkered down here at the Viaduct Falls, which you can see behind me. I'm on my iPhone because I had to put my GoPro away. The side of the GoPro's open for the audio adapter, and the rain came on so fast I didn't have a chance to change out the little side door. So sorry the up close, and sorry I look like crap. So I'm gonna try and wait this out and see if maybe it's gonna stop here soon, so that I can get some more images. Hopefully this little side waterfall will start flowing a little bit more, because now that we've got this rain, but I don't know. We'll have to see. So I'll be back to you guys in a little bit. We'll see if this works. Here we go. Hey guys, all right, so we're down here at the falls again, and it stopped raining enough. I hope you can hear me. You probably can't. I'll have to voice this over, but we now have another waterfall. Here. The rain has come, and now this little waterfall is here, and I'm trying to get images of this before it starts to rain again, because we got soaked. So I'm trying to set this up so that I can get some more images on my camera here. I don't know if you can hear me, but who knows. 10-second exposure on this one, we'll see. All right, here we go. Okay, so we're done over by the waterfall. I took as many shots as I could. I tried to get as much as I could. It rained really, really hard, and then it stopped and it started to sprinkle again, so I got shots as much as I could. So now we're over by the actual viaduct tunnel, and there's this little fall here with this really cool sycamore tree going out and over here, and I'm trying to get images of that. All right, so we're gonna maneuver around here. I'm trying to move as fast as I can, but I'm very scared walking on these rocks. I don't want to fall. I've already slipped a couple of times, but I haven't fallen. So I'm moving kind of slow. The husband is bored out of his brain over here. Yeah, I know. We're gonna have to treat him special the rest of the evening. What are you gonna do? So I'm gonna back up. I'm gonna take some more images, and hopefully they come out. If they did, here they are. Well, we're done. We're leaving. Whew. We were all over that waterfall in Tinker's Creek. The place is absolutely beautiful. It's just big waterfall, little falls, little falls, little falls, one after the other. And you know, you really could spend an entire day here from sunup to sundown just in one small area. We're walking back uphill. Sorry for the breathing. I'm exhausted, and I'm still in my water shoes. Whew, I got mud all over me. But we are headed to one of our favorite Indian barbecues for some food. Oh, so I'm starving, and we don't have one by us. So while we're down here, we're gonna go there. Oh, chipmunk. So thank you guys for coming along. Hope you enjoy my images. I'm sorry I didn't vlog as much as I wanted to, only because it started to rain, and then it seemed like the rain brought the people. And there were people everywhere. Someone got married at the observation platform. So I had to try and do images in between people and trying to get, I'm dying here, people on top of the falls. But it was absolutely beautiful, and wow, the leaves that have fallen already created lots of really cool color, but I can't wait until the leaves really start to change and they start popping. It will be gorgeous. So thanks you guys for coming along. Hope you like the images, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.